Every hydraulic hose has a story. From creation to installation, it's a vital lifeline in your machinery. But how do you keep track of its life story? With the BOAhub Hose Tagging System, you capture it all in one place. When you make and fit a new hydraulic hose, tag it with BOAhub. It's not just a tag, it's a digital record that captures data of that hose for life. Fast forward to the future. Need to know when it was made? Its bill of materials or the assets it's fitted to? Just enter the hose tag ID into the BOAhub and there it is. It's like having a digital logbook for every hose. This one? Replaced 11 months ago by technician Duncan. Replaced preventatively due to wear and tear. This level of detail isn't just convenient, it's game-changing. It means proactive maintenance, less downtime, and more productivity. The BOAhub turns the complex world of hydraulic hose management into a few simple taps on your screen. BOAhub's tagging system means you're always ahead. You know each hose's history, giving you the ability to plan its future. Tag it when you make it, track it through its life, trust it to keep you moving. That's the BOAhub promise. Available now for all your hydraulic management needs. Visit www.boahub.co to start your journey towards smarter hydraulic hose management on site. Visit www.boahydraulics.com to learn more.